Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is a very interesting combination recipe just for you. Mixing zucchini with moong dal makes an amazingly tasty concoction that will be a hit in your family every time you make it. Let's go. Here I have half cup moong dal which I will wash and soak for about 30 minutes for them to hydrate. These will plump up and double in quantity. Let's make a rough ground masala using garlic, ginger and green chilies. You can adjust the quantities as per your choice. Perfect. Keep it aside for a while. This is zucchini and we are going to cut this into cubes using the skin and all. Once the oil heats up, we will add in the cumin seeds and allow them to crackle. Now add in the prepared masala crush we made earlier and saute until the raw flavor goes off. Some curry leaves and finely chopped onions. We will saute these until they are translucent. Time to add in the zucchini cubes. This is such a satisfying and tasty treat for a weekday lunch. Just give it a good mix and we will add in the hydrated moong dal. I'm using moong dal as it is quick to cook. See how this has doubled in quantity? Check out the description box for the detailed recipe with all the measurements. Time for some everyday spices and seasonings. This is kanda lasun masala and you can adjust the quantity as per how spicy you like. Once again, we will mix in all the ingredients. Wow, look how vibrant this looks. I'm adding some thick coconut milk for rich flavor to balance all the flavors. This is a semi-dry dish, so we won't add in too much water. Some moisture will release from the zucchini also. It doesn't take long for the zucchini and the moong dal to cook. Cover and cook for about 10 to 12 minutes on medium heat or until soft. We will check for doneness by cutting in the zucchini, and if it cuts easily, it's done. Also pressing the moong dal in between your fingers and this is perfectly done. Both the zucchini and moong dal are cooked and we are ready to serve this awesome dish. Hope you like this recipe and thanks for watching.